AI reasoning models, they don't level up linearly and gradually. They level up, after each transitional thresholds, like we've had them in physics, okay? It just happens in an instant, much like the boiling point. Before 99, when it is 99 centigrades, it's water. But after it, when it becomes 100 degrees centigrade, it becomes boiling and it becomes gas. It's a transitional state. It's a transitional phase. And after this threshold, that is the boiling point, everything changes instantly. We also have this in magnetic bars when we put heat on them, and after a point and after temperature, the magnetic field just collapses. And we have also this in superconductivity. Also, as I said, in reasoning models that happens in AI, this also happens in human mind. After a cumulative information and data that is as input into our mind, after a few, after lots of cumulative collective information and data, something happens and our worldview to the solutions changes instantly. So technically, we're just animals, we're just monkeys after a few thresholds. Okay, and the monkeys are just other animals after a few thresholds, and the other animals are just plants after a few thresholds, and the plants are maybe fungi or microbes or cells or bacteria after a few thresholds. The version 2.0 of the people who argue human mind is unique, human consciousness is unique, version of the people who argue that life is a miracle and the consciousness is something magical. A human child is born without the understanding of minds. He doesn't have any theory of mind. He doesn't have any metacognition. Everything he understands, he just absorb the information as a subjective view. He thinks everything is himself. These people that I'm talking about, they're the same people that used to think that the Earth is the middle of the universe. And these people also think that AI cannot never surpass human. But at the same time, they fight it with teeth and bone to stop it from growing. Because they fear it. These people, when they see... these are the same people, when they see the results of their IQ score test, they just say, okay, but privately, they just deny it and they say it doesn't show anything. It's not a factor of intelligence. We have lots of intelligences. Yes, it's not a reliable result specifically, but generally, yes, it is. Evolution of different kind of intelligences, plants, animals, humans, superintelligence, they're just leveling up of the cognition and reasoning after each threshold, but cumulative and collective data storing up. Yet people who find these, they're just like animals fighting humans because they think humans are aliens. Same people are stuck in the very questions that nobody's gonna answer them in the future, even like consciousness, like the beginning of life, like the beginning of universe, what is time, and so on. Or maybe we'll find an answer by the AGI in the future. And of course, they're stuck what happens after death and what is God, and if we have God, should we do... Come on.